I'd like to introduce you to our newest release. You guys ready for this? Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. There are a few things about Jelly Bean we wanted to cover today. Project Butter.
The first thing we did was improve the system frame rate and make it consistent. In Jelly Bean, we also introduced triple buffering in the graphics pipeline. Let's take a look at another example. Let's look at the quick context animation. And again, the Jelly Bean device on the right, it animates much more smoothly and much more consistently.
So let's jump right in. Watch what happens now when Randall moves that widget to this screen. It magically resizes on its own. And if you want to do some spring cleaning in Jelly Bean, you can just pick up a widget and toss it off your phone. So we also made text input on Android a whole lot better. In Jelly Bean, we refined and retuned our dictionaries. But sometimes your hands aren't free to type, which is why Android supports voice typing. Now, while voice typing works really well when you have a data connection, if you don't have one, it doesn't work. And it can actually be slow if you have a bad connection. So in Jelly Bean, we shrunk the Google speech recognizer to fit on the device itself. So Randall's going to put his phone in airplane mode, and he's going to use his voice to write an email.
This is a demonstration of voice typing, period. Words appear even though I don't have a connection, period.
There you go. Making sure Android works for everyone also means improving accessibility. With Jelly Bean, we're introducing gesture mode, which enables blind users to reliably navigate the UI using touch and swipe gestures in combination with speech output. Now, let's talk about camera. The Jelly Bean camera app makes it possible to review photos you've already taken really, really quickly as well. So Randall is snapping some photos here, and you'll notice that there's a new animation of the photo flying out to the right. So that tells you with a simple wipe, you can bring it back into view and look at the photo you just took. You can tap and share this photo, as you know, or you can keep swiping to look at the other photos you took. If you want to go through these photos really quickly, just pinch to go to Film Strip View, and then you can scroll much faster from here. And if you don't like a photo, you can easily get rid of it by just swiping it away. And if you delete a photo by accident, you can always tap undo and bring it right back. So that's camera. In Ice Cream Sandwich, we introduced Android Beam. In Jelly Bean, we're introducing two new Android Beam features. First, you can send someone a photo or video by just tapping your phones together. And second, you can instantly pair and connect your phone with an NFC-enabled Bluetooth device like a speaker or a headset by just tapping it with your phone. It takes 1 second. Absolutely brilliant. One of the signature features of Android is notifications. In Jelly Bean, notifications show you more information. So here at the top, there's a missed call from Hiroshi. Rather than opening the phone app and calling him back, you can do that right from the notification itself. Just tap on callback. It's really quick and easy. Now, if you leave the phone app while you're in this call, when you're done, you can just go back to notifications and hang up straight from there. It's awesome. Now, the Gmail notification moves up and automatically expands. You no longer need to open the Gmail app at all to see what's going on in your inbox. It's all right there. Nothing important right now, so Randall, why don't we just swipe that away? Okay. Now here's a calendar notification, and you can see that there's a meeting here at 10:30. Now, if you're running late or you can't make it to the meeting, you can easily email everyone in the meeting and let them know. Just type email guests. And because you'll usually be in a rush when you do this, we give you a set of canned responses. You can choose any of these, or of course, write your own. Let's go back to notifications. All right, so we can see that Romain shared a photo on Google+. Now, you can actually see the full bleed photo right here in notifications. And you can +1 it, or even share it right into your circles, all without opening the app. Here's a notification from Foursquare. You can quickly like or comment on a friend's check-in, again, without having to open the app. In the expanded Pulse News notification here, I can see news stories complete with photos and headlines. Really, really powerful stuff.